Well, guys, nowadays the common problem we have is a mosquito. Lots of mosquito around the country. So today I'm going to show you a easy way how to kill mosquito. In this way, you can kill lots of mosquito in short time and very easily. And to make this trap, you don't need to spend that much. Very cheap one. So let's see how we're going to make this trap today. Mosquito killer. Okay, so to make this trap, first of all you need a bottle like this. It can be a soft drinks bottle like Sprite, Coca-Cola or soda water bottle. That's one thing. You need sugar, okay, and you need yeast, and also you need water preheated. Okay, it's like 200 to 250 ml. So what you need to do, you need to mix the sugar in the water, in the preheated water, like 75 gram or 80 gram sugar you have to put in this water, and then you have to stir it to melt with the water. So after it's melting it, because your water is preheated, so sugar will melt very quickly, and by the time you need to cut this bottle, so with the measurement you just cut the bottle. Okay, first let me remove this. I'm removing it. So just let me cut this bottle from here. So got it. So I cut the bottle. Then what I have to do, I will put the water into the bottle on this bigger part. Just put the water. Okay. After pouring the water, you need also yeast. You can buy it from any supermarket. So you can buy it. It's also not much expensive. Maybe in dollar, like $50, or like if you buy in currency like taka, it's like 30 taka. So you have to take a spoon, and for this yeast you will take like a 1 spoon or 2 spoon of yeast. Okay, and you just need to pour it. No need to stir it, just mix it with the water, the yeast. So no need to stir it, it's automatically it will make a carbon dioxide in. And then what you need to do, you need to put this the cover like this, the other way, this one, the top side down way in your bottle. So you put it like that, and after that what you have to do, you have to take a tap the first tip, and then you put it here. You have to put the tap nicely all around your bottle with the upper part and the lower part. Okay. So you just cover it like this. So you make sure that it goes in the upper side and down side both together nicely. Okay, just cut it like this. So after that, you make sure that there is no way out for the air. I mean, it's sealed properly. That means your trap is done, where mosquito can go in from this way, but it cannot come out. So you have done your trap. Now I'll put it somewhere in the room, and I will show you how much mosquito I killed. Okay, so let's wait till the mosquito to be killed. Well guys, as you can see, there is lots of mosquito inside the bottle now. I mean, after we making this, we kept it in the one corner of the room, and now as you can see, there is lots of mosquito inside the bottle, and they are all dead. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video. If you like it, please share, and then if you think after using this trap, if it is useful, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.